Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Ally Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Ally Bank account. Then search Ally Bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to secure.ally.com. It will then take you to the official website of Ally Bank. There, enter your username, then enter your password. To view your password, you can click to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Ally Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to save username. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to forgot username or password. And if you are new to Ally Bank, you can create a new account by clicking to create a profile. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.